Yeah, one thing I found out here, and others have taken the master cylinder out. I started to do that to get at the shock bolt on this side, but then I realized that if I were to just unhook the air cleaner box right here, there's only two bolts and a stud, a nut on the inside to take it out, so that won't be in the way. I'm just going to leave this off until I get the shock put back in. The shock is probably one of the last things you put back in, so it's supposed to be one of the first things you take out. But I've made some progress here. I got that. Let me see if I can see it here. Yeah, there. Nope, there. I got the track bar out. So there it is on the floor. And what I had so much trouble with is, oh yeah, nice. What I had so much trouble with is this bolt twisted off and it was rusted inside of this bushing. So I took a grinding wheel after about 3 of them or 2 of them totally disintegrating on me. And I left my guard on. I'm kind of glad I did, but it wasn't really in the way anyway, but I cut it off, and then I finally got in there and cut the rest of it off with my Sawzall, and then finally it come loose. So yeah, goodbye. I've got a new one. I'm kind of glad I did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.